So over here, you can see that I have these particular files right here. And let's say what I want to do is copy and rename these files to a separate folder. In that case, I can simply go ahead, create a new folder, and I'm going to go around and say rename files right here. So let's just go around and select out the images that I want to copy. So in that case, I'm simply going to go around and hold Shift and select all of these right here. So now I can go ahead on to the tools menu and then choose batch rename right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go around and click on the browse button right here, just like this. And then I can go around over here onto the particular folder. So once I go around onto the TutorTube drive right here, I'm simply going to go around onto, let's say, the images folder right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around under the rename file section and then select out the folder right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go around and then change the parameters as I like. Let's say, for example, the new file name will be named as tutortube_, and then you can choose the sequence number right here, just like this. And I can go ahead and add in more parameters as well. Like you can choose new extension and so forth, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and add in folder name itself right here, just like this, and use the original case. And then I'm going to go around and click on rename. So once you do that, what happens is that it copies and renames the files at the same time right here. And inside you can see the file being renamed right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around and then create a new folder right here. Let's say, for example, and I can go ahead and utilize the batch rename right here to change around the images according to how I like. So if I were to go around over here onto tools, I can go around onto the batch rename section right here, and you can move it to other folder as well instead of copying it. So once you go ahead and choose move, then what happens is that you can go ahead right here and simply move and rename it out. So I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, on the images section right here, and then go around onto rename files, and then inside the new folder, I'm simply going to go ahead and select it. So I'm simply going to rename it to TT_ right here, and then I'm simply going to choose rename right here, just like this, until the process is carried out and all of the files is moved on to the new folder, as you can see right here, and has been renamed as TT right there. And that is how you can go ahead and copy and rename or move and rename files inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.